Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start now, power off the computer, unplug every cable, and switch the PSU to off if present. Once done, ground yourself by touching the metal chassis or use an anti-static wrist strap to prevent damage. Make sure you can clearly see the memory slots. The modules sit between two small plastic retention clips. You don't need extra tools for the RAM itself, just steady hands. Next, position good lighting and angle the case so you can reach the clips comfortably. You now release the retention clips on both sides of the module. Press or pull them outward until they click and the stick pops up slightly. Once it lifts, grip the RAM by its long edges, avoiding contact with the gold pins, and pull straight up and out with steady, even force. Do not twist. If a clip resists, double-check it's fully open before forcing. After removal, place the stick in an anti-static bag or on a non-conductive surface. Label sticks if you'll reinstall them later. You finish by reinstalling or storing modules. For reinstall, align the module notch with the slot key and press evenly until both clips snap closed. You should feel a firm click. Once the case is closed and cables reconnected, power on and enter BIOS to confirm total memory is recognized. If it doesn't boot or RAM is missing, power down, reseat the sticks. Try one module at a time or different slots to isolate a bad DIMM or slot.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.